Are you ready to save time and money with your cleaning service? Great! CompassWave can help with that. It's a unique tool crafted to capture leads, give them estimates, quote them, invoice them, bill them, and schedule appointments for them all from the same place. In this widget that gets easily embedded on your site, CompassWave will let the customer type in their address. It'll automatically pull in information from real estate sources and let them verify it on the next step. Then you, as a cleaning service, get to create a bunch of questions to ask the customers, and these questions will affect the estimate total, as well as an approximation of how long the appointment will take. So here, the customer answers those questions. Then they type in their name, their phone number, and their email. They'll get an estimate emailed directly to them to give them instant feedback and to help you win your business instantly. In the booking form, the customer can select which days work best for them and what time of day works best. They also get to select whether this is a one-time or a recurring appointment. Then they get to choose out of a few slots picked for them, matching their parameters. And then the appointment is scheduled, ready for you to charge your credit card directly through CompassWave. So are you ready to start generating more profit and saving time with your cleaning business? Don't hesitate to sign up for CompassWave today.